friends, today we're going to draw Squishmallow Kuromi.
We hope you're excited to follow along with me. I love using Squishmallows to draw with or to use as inspiration because you first start with the really simple shape. There's just a big Easter egg or not Easter egg, just a regular egg. But I also like the back. She has her little tail and her cute little ears. All right, you ready to draw her?
Yeah.
We're using our black and pink marker to draw with and also marker paper, but what can our friends use?
Whatever they have.
Yeah. Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with the main shape of our Squishmallow. We're gonna draw the same shape we do for all of them. A big upside down letter U, or kind of a rainbow line. We're gonna go up, over, and down.
It's a roller coaster.
Yeah, roller coaster. Ah! And then we're gonna draw the bottom. Let's curve in the corner. Then we'll come across and curve in this corner. Well, it's not really a corner, but then it looks more like an egg shape.
It is a corner.
Yeah.
It's a circle, and circles do have corners.
No, they don't. We don't want
Yes, they
corners.
do.
Now let's draw her face, or her little mask. We're gonna draw the letter V right here. Come down and then back up. And we want the point of the V right in the middle. Yes. And then we're gonna draw it curving around like this. Then we're gonna come under, and then we're gonna curve around to the other side and then back in. Kind of tricky. Almost like you're drawing
It's going upside down. No, I'm going to do it on this side.
Oh, that's a good idea. Switch. You did it. Nice job.
Woo.
Okay, now down here at the bottom, we're going to draw another letter V, but we're going to draw it the regular way. And this one, I said, did I say this one was upside down? I might have said it upside down letter V.
I don't know.
Okay, I can't remember. Now we're going to draw an upside down letter V right here in the middle.
A right side up V.
This one's upside down.
How's that?
We're going to draw another one right next to it and another one on this side. Yes, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line connecting on both sides. Okay, and then she has these really cute little circles, decorations at the bottom of each point. Yes, okay, now let's add her face. We're going to draw an oval right here in the middle, kind of towards the bottom of the shape. Then we're going to draw her cute little smile. And then we're going to draw her eyes. And first we're going to draw kind of like we're drawing ovals, but we're going to leave the top open. And we'll do the same on this side to match. That's because she kind of has angry eyes. We're going to draw a diagonal line that connects the top on both sides. And you can go a little past for her eyelash. It turns into an eyelash and curves up. Yes, so right here, you could curve up a little bit on the outside and then add another eyelash. Yes, and then let's color in her eyes. Next, let's add the little skull on her forehead. We're gonna draw an oval shape too, but the bottom is open. So we're gonna curve around like this, come back, but leave the bottom open. Yes, and then we're gonna draw a short line down, over, and then back up to connect on the other side. And add two little teeth lines in the middle and the skull eyes. We're gonna draw two ovals. See how they're tipped though, towards the top. Yeah, you did it. She's almost done, except she's missing something really important.
Her ears.
Yeah, her ears, her really pointy diamond ears. Yes. We're gonna draw letter V's for the top of her ear first. So we're gonna get really close to her head. We're gonna come up and then we're gonna come back down. And then we're gonna do that same thing on the other side to match. Floating ears. And then down here at the bottom, we're gonna draw diagonal lines that connect into the body, but coming in towards each other. And then one last little detail on the very end.
Circles.
Circles, yeah. We did it, we finished drawing Kuromi, except we still need to
color her.
Yeah, we need to color her. Now, she's mostly black. We're gonna color all of the outside of her mask black, her ears black, but then what's the other color we need?
Pink.
Pink, yeah, for the skull and also the little decorations at the bottom and her little nose. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring Kuromi. She turned out awesome. I hope our friends will color their drawings too. This one was pretty easy. We only used our 2 colors, black and pink.
Is that impossible?
Do you think it looks like her?
Yes. We hope you had a little fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.